We got an ant in there. Or a spider.
Oh.
Morning from a wet Chiang Mai. So we're doing cooking class today. I say we. Poor JP's not very well today. He's got a bit of a diggy tummy. So today's just going to be me. We're just going to have to put up with me all day while we do this cooking class because I'm really looking forward to this. I hope I can still do it. Because I don't know how many people have booked on the course, but we'll find out. So I'm just outside our hotel now, waiting to get collected. And then the cooking class is about, I think it's about 30 minutes outside of Chiang Mai. But it's all done on its own, on an organic farm. So, let's go. So we just arrived at the market and we're going to get some vegetables. I've chose my food choices. Jeffrey's going to be gutted that he's missed this.
This one for green curry. Yeah, all for green curry. You put the whole thing here for green curry.
Really?
No, kidding. This one is coffee lime leaves. Yeah. So for the lime leaves, it's single, but coffee lime is always double. Yeah. Always double leaves. Banana flower.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's. You can see the baby bananas here. Banana flower. Yeah. So we do for the curry. And
Can I see the baby banana?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and we do. Sometimes when you go eat pad thai, you're gonna get some on the side, the yellow one. This one is from this one. Banana flower.
So much.
20 baht. 20 baht.
For all that.
Wow. JP's going to be so upset that he's missed this. It's absolutely beautiful now that we've just got here. We've already chose. You get to choose from, I think it's 3 dishes, 4 courses. And then you choose a curry as well. So now we're just waiting to get started. The only thing that we bought from the market was some chilies. Right, here we go. Yeah, mine look different.
Yeah.
2, how much is 3?
Medium 3. More chili, more sexy. Green. How sexier? Medium.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 hand cover and smash together. And then slide your baby on the side. Yeah.
Cook your babies.
Yeah. Let's make them crispy. We have to do some wee. This side. Okay, make like a small hole, diagonal like this, and then cut this side.
Oh, like
And put it stand up beautiful.
like that? You make a little hole first?
Yeah,
like that?
yeah.
And then...
Yeah! Good. So for both of your soup, they are same ingredients except tomatoes for tom yum goong and carrot for coconut milk soup. And now we're gonna start with soup kit first. This is the
How much of this? Just one?
this one.
One tiny chili.
Yeah, right. You can smell it.
Like that? Just on the end?
Yeah.
Just the end?
Yeah.
Mm.
Smell like Thailand. Here. Milk on the side It's coconut milk 100%, but inside is coconut cream. Coconut milk it means coconut cream dilute with the water.
Yeah.
It's become coconut milk. So milk is more liquid than cream. Nice, Charan. Okay, Susie, keep stirring faster. Yeah.
Right, okay, I think I'm far enough away that the music isn't going to cause a problem. This is the end. It's night time now. JP is feeling better. So I've dragged him out for a couple of changs because that's what we do. And I am so happy to announce that Zoe in Yellow is back open.